Some of the president's supporters accused Chief Justice John Roberts of playing political games after a Supreme Court ruling supporting abortion rights. Roberts joined 4 liberal justices to strike down a Louisiana law that had restricted abortion providers. Roberts said the law was too similar to a Texas law that the court threw out 4 years ago. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court for us. Jan, good morning. Why is this case so significant?
Tony, it was the first major test of abortion rights since President Trump added 2 new conservative justices to the Supreme Court, but it was another conservative, Chief Justice John Roberts, who cast the deciding vote with liberals, the first time in his career he's voted to strike down an abortion regulation. The justices struck down a law that could have left Louisiana with 1 abortion provider. This clinic in the northern part of the state sued to stay open after Louisiana's Unsafe Abortion Protection Act mandated doctors who perform abortions must maintain admitting privileges at a nearby hospital, a restriction the clinic's director called
devastating, not just for the people in our area, but statewide, and I think there would be national repercussions as well.
Justice Stephen Breyer, writing for the court's 4 liberal justices, called the Louisiana law an undue burden that offers no significant health-related benefits. Chief Justice John Roberts objected more narrowly, arguing the law broke precedent. Nominated by George W. Bush, Roberts has disappointed conservatives, joining the court's 4 liberal justices on landmark rulings that upheld the Affordable Care Act and rejected the Trump administration's efforts to add a citizenship question to the census. 2 weeks ago, Roberts voted to expand LGBTQ rights in the workplace and protect young undocumented immigrants called Dreamers, leaving conservative court watchers like Ilya Shapiro wondering.
I don't think that he's moving left. I think he's just as conservative as he ever was. But given that he is now definitively the middle of the court, the swing seat, or at least the median vote, he is acting strategically, and he wants the court not to be perceived as Republicans and Democrats or liberals and conservatives.
Now, the Supreme Court is about to weigh in on another politically charged case in this election year, whether Congress can subpoena President Trump's tax returns. A decision in that case could come as soon as this week. Gail?
That's a big case. A lot of people watching that. Thank you very much, Jan.